Today's tech tip is on using playlists in YouTube. To do this, you have to be logged into YouTube. So once you go to YouTube, you click in the upper right hand corner, you log in using your Fayette County email address. And everyone has an account in YouTube because YouTube's owned by Google and we all have Google accounts. Once you've done that, to set up a playlist, you will have to create a channel. I've already created mine, so I can't show you how to do that without deleting all of my content, but it's very quick and easy to set up a playlist. Then let's say that we want to know, we're looking for some videos on parabolas for basketball. And I find a video that I think would be good to share with my students. I can click this plus sign right down here and I can say add to and create a playlist, a new playlist called Parabola, or it could be called Algebra 1. You probably want to get as specific as you can just because you're going to create a lot of playlists and you don't want to have tons of videos in one playlist. Once you've created the playlist though, it's there. So if you go back and you find another video that you like, let's say this one, I want to add it, I can click and I can choose Parabola, or I can choose Algebra 1, or I can choose both. And once you've added them, they're there. And when you go to your YouTube sandwich button up here, you can see your library, which will give you all of the different playlists that you have created. And once you have created a playlist, you can click on it, and there are the different videos that you have put in there. You can share it with your students, or you can just have it for you to play in class. It's a great way to share some information with your students or to make a list for yourself to go back and look at later, and I hope you find it useful. Thanks.